understand that all the boys that's over there, they're going to have a big baseball team, and I understand you're going to be the manager.
That's right.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Well, if you're going to be the manager of this baseball team, I would like to join myself.
That's all right.
I would like to know some of the guys' names on the team, so when I meet them on the street or in the ballpark, I'll be able to say hello to them.
Well, naturally, I'll introduce you to the boys, and a regular bunch of boys we've got. But you know, strange as it may seem, they give these ball players very peculiar names.
You need funny names.
Strange names like Dizzy Dean
Butter
and
Daffy.
Daffy Dean.
I'm their
and-
cousin.
Who are you?
Goofy.
Goofy. Well, let's see. We have who's on first, what's on second, I don't know's on third.
That's what I want to find out.
And then I say who's on first, what's on second, I don't know's on third.
Yeah, you know the fellas' names?
Yes.
Well, who's on first?
Yes.
I mean the fella's name.
Yes.
I mean the guy playing first.
Who?
The fella playing first.
Who?
The first baseman.
Who?
The guy playing first.
Who is on first?
Well, what are you asking me for?
I'm not asking you. I'm telling you. Who is on first?
I'm asking you who's on first.
That's the man's name.
Well, go ahead and tell me.
That's the man's name.
That's whose name?
Yes.
Well, go ahead and tell me.
Who?